this is how you can stop sharing your Google Docs document. There are a few things that you need to check. First, you have to remove the person that you are sharing the document with. So go to the share button here, and then on the person that you share a document with, you want to click on its role and then click remove access. And after that, that person should no longer able to see or edit the document. And then there is also something called general access. If you in the past share a document to the public with a link, then anybody can see that document. You want to remove that access as well. So click on this button and then change the setting to restricted. And when you're done, you can just click save button here. Just a moment. Yeah, click done. So basically nobody would be able to see the document. However, there is another setting that many people might overlook, and that is the publication setting. So just go to the file menu again and then click share, click publish to web. If you ever share your document to the web, then you have to stop this. You have to stop this publication. So just open this menu and you can click stop publishing. And basically you're done. Now your document is essentially private and you're not sharing the document with anybody else. Just you can see this document if you have followed that guide properly. So anyway, I hope you find this video helpful and I'll see you on the next video.